the 10th day of Christmas.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You know it's the 11th.
Oh, that's right. Let's get into day number 11.
You know, it's been cold and rainy the past few days. I'm ready for some hot cocoa.
Well, then let's get right into it and see what we got today.
Okay. Ooh. Seems interesting.
Oh, Irish cream cocoa.
You know, because these are K-Cups, I keep thinking that they're coffee. And then my mind keeps playing a trick on me that, like, these are going to be kind of good flavors. Like, the Irish cream, that goes good in coffee. And yesterday's cinnamon.
You know, I keep thinking these are coffee too, especially once we saw the name for this one. Yeah, immediately I was thinking it was coffee.
I just hope that this does taste good.
But you know what I did think? I don't know if it's because of the name Irish Cream and Bailey's. I expected this to be a lot lighter.
Yeah, it is pretty dark.
Because, you know, Bailey's Irish Cream, that's milky white with a hint of brown for coloring. But anyways, let's hope it's just as good.
Let's hope.
I definitely get Irish cream flavor. Not super strong, but it's definitely there, in my opinion.
It kind of maybe has a smell of it. I can't really tell.
I can't get too much of a smell on it. It definitely tastes watered down.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But I do get the Irish cream flavor pushing through, like, in the end.
It's very, very subtle.
A little more than subtle for me. It's not like in your face, but I can definitely tell it's Irish cream. If it wasn't watered down, it'd probably be a lot better.
Yeah, it's very subtle for me.
I would give this a 4. Because I like it enough. But the watered down flavor brings the quality down a lot, in my opinion. If it didn't have that watered down flavor, it'd probably be an easy 6 or 7. Maybe even higher. I don't know. But it sits at a 4 for me.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad by any means, but I really don't taste that Irish cream, really. It's very, very, like, you know, it's a very tiny little bit. So I think, and it's overall just kind of tastes like really watered down hot chocolate. So I think 4.
So do you think by the end of this, there's any chance you'll end up liking some wine?
Not unless it's made out of vodka.
That might be tricky. Let's find out if 11's made out of vodka.
Okay. Wow, these are proving tricky to open today.
Calendars are not on your side.
No. You always bring wine. Another red blend.
I am so happy for these varieties.
Once again, this is called You Always Bring Wine, and it's a red blend.
It is a product of France, and it will have a 12% alcohol by volume. Another day, another red blend. If you drink enough of these, do you think you'll end up liking them?
No, not
Are
a
you sure?
chance. Yeah.
You know, it's my goal to get you to like at least one red wine at some point, right?
Good luck.
Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna be it though. It smells a little spicy. Got some long legs, so there's probably gonna be some heavy tannins in this. That would be my assumption. Let's find out, shall we? There's definitely more tannins in this than yesterday's. Mouth feels a lot more dried out than the other one. I get a bitterness taste almost immediately, and then it intensifies even more as it gets to the back of my tongue. The flavor definitely sticks around for a little longer than yesterday's.
Mm-hmm.
Not as strong on the spice as I thought it would be. I think it's overwhelmed by the bitterness of it. That face says it all, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. I maybe like this with a good like peppered steak or something. But other than that, I don't see me drinking this one too often, if I'm honest. It doesn't taste horrible, but there's a lot of bitterness to it all throughout.
Yeah.
And I don't mind it if it fits in a wine like in the beginning and then it fades away, or if it works into it at the end, but it's there from like beginning to end, and it only intensifies as it gets closer to the back.
Yeah. So what would you rate this one?
I think it's getting a 2. Maybe. What did I rate that Chardonnay? Did I rate that a 1?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope so. Because it's not nearly that bad. I mean, it's not off-putting. It doesn't taste horrible. But I'm not a fan of that bitterness, and I have to give it a 2 because of that.
Yeah. I don't see myself ever drinking this. I mean, not just because it's a red wine.
Sure.
But, you know, it's just...
You know, this is if I was trying to get you to drink a red, this would not be it.
I would even drink yesterday's red wine over this one.
Yesterday was such a good wine. Well, those were our drinks for today. Thanks for joining us today on day number 11.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you for day 12.
Bye.
Bye.